Wheel alignment errors can cause three basic problems on your car: irregular tire wear, handling problems, and a crooked steering wheel. A common indicator of misalignment is excessive shoulder wear on a tire. This type of irregular wear is often caused by errors in camber or toe. Camber, which is the inward or outward tilt of the wheel, can cause outside shoulder wear if the wheel is tilted too far out. If the wheel is tilted too far inboard, the inside shoulder will wear. This problem can occur at the front or rear. Toe errors will also cause shoulder wear, in fact very rapid wear. If the wheels are pointed too far inboard, the outside of the tread will wear first. Rapid inside wear will occur if the wheels are pointed too far out. A pull problem is another indicator of misalignment. An alignment pull can be caused by side-to-side errors in camber or side-to-side errors in caster. If the front wheels are both tilted to the left, this can cause the car to always want to steer to the left. If the front wheels are both tilted to the right, the car will tend to want to steer right all the time. Another way to introduce a pull is with errors in caster. Caster, which is the front to rear tilt of the steering axis, should be the same on each side. If, for example, the right side is positive and the left side is negative, the front wheels will try to steer the car to the left all the time. Misalignment will also cause a crooked steering wheel. If the car is properly aligned, the steering wheel will be straight, but errors in front toe or errors in rear toe will cause the steering wheel position to change. So if you see a shift in the position of your steering wheel, unusual tire wear, or if your car is pulling, get an alignment check as soon as possible. Waiting will only make the situation worse.